Hello everyone, I'm Leo and this is a probability question answer. It is a homework 9 and this is my ID number. So it's a first question. The first question is about the winner process, and actually they defined the new process that is xt equals to xt equals to, here you can see it's a new process. The W is a winner process. So and the first question, I want to draw a couple of examples of xt. So you can see the sample means we set we will find the what is behavior, what's the performance on different times. So we should find, here you can see the blue line is xt, is xt here, is wt, I'm sorry, it's wt, like this. You'll see it is just a random walk, but the winner process is a continuous behavior of a random walk. But that doesn't matter. We can first just think about the random walk. Here you can see this is the blue line, and the red line is the wt plus 1. wt plus 1. It's a red line. So why is it? Because it is just shift by one. So we can get such a graph, and we wanted to know the two guys are subtract. So we can find the answer xt. What's xt? Like this. Only the minus and the plus, right? It's the like the 1 or the minus 1, something like that. But you should realize it is changeable. So and different times we may get different graphs, but all like this. So you can see, as I said, it is random walk. It is not the continuous behavior of the winner of it. So I will find the winner process is like the continuous version, like that, something like that, because it is continuous version, continuous at time. Something, it is a second sample. The things will goes differently, but all like this, only minus 1 and plus 1. So this is the first question. The second question is I wanted to find the expect value of xt. You'll see the xt. You already know the winner process. The expect value of that is equal to 0, and you can see the expect value of x equals to the two guys subtract and equals to must equals to 0, because the two guys both are equals to 0. And here I will find the alternative rt1 and t2. So because we know the rw is a winner process of the automorphism, is the min T1 and T2 plus minus alpha. The alpha is a constant. We don't care. It's just a constant. But here you can see it depends on which one is smaller. If T1 is smaller, we choose T1. If T1 is larger, we choose another guys. So here we can see the Rx, we will find it equals to something like that. It's a basic definition of R. And here it is very, we used what I said, because xt equals to wt plus 1, something like that. and we write down get answer here. You'll find the answer is really large. It's really different from as before. Here, this is the answer. You will think it is really hard to understand, but if you think about a specific question, specific situation, like here, this is a time t1, t2, and t2 larger than t1 plus 1. So here you can see it's just answer to minus r. If another case is just answer the here like this. You'll see here the answer is only about the differences between t1 and t2. t1 plus t2. So we don't care what. So we can see here it didn't about any time. And the other cases is, you'll see that other cases is it's just switch, just exchange t1 and t2, so we don't care. And finally, we'll see it's wide thin station, because the expected value equals to 0, which is the constant, and the r is only about tau. The tau is a different of 2 times. Here you can see it is an independent increment and uncorrelated increment. So I want to prove why it is that. You know, the Wiener process is incremented independent, and this is we already know. And so the Wt minus Ws independent with Wt plus 1 minus Ws plus 1. So why is that? And because we already know the Wiener process is increment independent. So we think about the relationship between here the xt plus minus xs. Just exchange the exchange the w and s. So we think about the relationship about x, not w anymore. So we will find the wt minus w, something like that. We'll get answer. Actually, they are independent 2 by 2. They are independent in pairs. Actually, the wt minus ws independent with wt plus 1 minus wt, something like that. So we get answer. It is independent increments. So because it is independent, so it must be uncorrelated in increments. So that's all. This is the first answer, first question.